Good medical morning. This is Adam, and I'm here with Watson.
Hey.
Watson's about to play Medical Jeopardy, where he diagnoses medical conditions after seeing a few seconds of a clip. Watson, can you identify this?
At a glance, it just looks like a whitehead, but it could be an ingrown hair. Can't tell what they're pulling out of there yet.
All right, we're going to go with a pimple, whitehead,
Okay.
or closed comedone.
Nice.
And play along at home with Watson to see how you do. Now, Watson, can you identify this Animal Kingdom image?
That is one big set of lungs right there. Oh, horse lungs. Maybe you can tell how I figured that out. Or maybe not.
And yes, those are horse lungs. They're inflated to their full size, and that gives you an idea of how impressive a horse's lung capacity truly is. Next up,
Ow. That looks like an extreme case of frostbite. Ouch.
yes sir, those toes have definitely a bad case of frostbite.
Man, how do you even get that cold? That's crazy.
Here's the next one. Can you identify what's wrong with this person's feet? And this is post-treatment.
I think plantar's warts. It's in the right spot.
They indeed
okay.
had a bad case of plantar's warts that were removed by a medical professional.
Nice. Nose? Oh, I thought that was a bug at first. That's earwax. Oh man.
This person
Clean your
clearly
ears,
has a
bro.
bad case of built-up, compacted, impacted earwax. All right, folks, make sure to click like and subscribe. Watson, how many did you get correct?
5.
Good enough for me.
I cheated on the horse one though.
Also, in the description below, we have our pimple popper tools to fulfill your popping needs. It includes a lancet, several extractors, cone extractors, and all sorts of good stuff. So go ahead, pick that up. It's in the description below. Subscribe for new videos every week. And thanks again for watching. We're Medical Jeopardy, and we've got great new videos every single week. Any last words, Watson?
Yeah, join us next time. I'll see if I can keep the 5 for 5 streak going. So far, I'm up to 1 in a row. Adios.